Hi, I'm Morgan.
And Rebecca.
We're with the Rogue team at United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine, and we are at the coolest listing that we've ever had.
We're at 50 Picnic Point Road in Brookton at Birchwood Cottages.
This property has so much packed into 6.4 acres. It has 510 feet on Jackson Brook Lake. There is an owner's cabin, 3 rental cabins.
There's also a guide cabin, a laundry cabin. You have 2 camper site hookups with electricity and a well pump house.
There's also a couple of storage sheds, and this property comes with almost everything you see in it. Let's go take a look.
Right before you get to the property on Picnic Point Road, you do come to a boat landing. It is private and has access for anybody with the road association, which is $150 a year.
This lake, Jackson Brook Lake, is 731 acres. The max depth is 20 feet, and the fish species here are smallmouth bass, chain pickerel, and white perch. It's also connected directly to Drake Lake.
First, we're going to take a look at the well pump house. The well for this property is shared with the camp next door. And then we're going to take a look at the laundry room and the guide's cottage. And then we're going to take a look at the rest of the cabins.
Inside the well pump house, obviously, is the well pump. There's also room in here for storage. Though this is a shared well, it's never run dry. Previously, the cabin that's next door was actually part of this property, but it was split off many years ago.
This is the laundry cabin. Currently, only the owner uses this. It does not have guest access, so it's got all of your sheets and towels and anything else you could need to stock the cabins, and all of that will convey.
We are going to take a look at the first of 5 cabins. This one has been used for guides in the past, and so the entrance is actually on the back. Let's go around and check it out. Coming into the guides camp, this one is a big open concept. There's enough room for 2 beds in here. There's a table, a bathroom with a stand-up shower, and a small kitchen area. I just want to point out that the guide cabin does have a ventless heater. The rest of the cabins all have direct vent heaters. You're going to be able to tell this throughout the entire tour, but this property has been so well loved and maintained throughout the years. They've painted as they've needed to. They've replaced shingles as they've needed to. These cabins were actually built in the 50s, various years. But my favorite part about, other than the beautiful lakefront, is how stunning the landscaping is here. And like I said, we'll see that again the closer we get to the owner's cabin.
Before we head inside cabin 1, we did just want to mention that each cabin does come with a propane grill and a picnic table. When you enter cabin 1, you walk right into this large sun porch, which does have one of your beds. This cabin comfortably sleeps 6.
Let's take a look inside. So as you walk in, you come into this open living space. There is a kitchen area, another table, a little living room area. There are 2 bedrooms in here with a bathroom in the center.
The room to your left has a bunk bed and a twin bed. It's also got a closet in there, and that's where your electrical box is.
The bedroom on the right has room for a queen size bed and also has a closet. The bathroom has your traditional vanity toilet and a stand-up shower.
As Morgan mentioned before, this cabin does have a direct vent heater.
Okay, now that we've taken a look at cabin 1, let's head over to cabin 2. Now that we're in cabin 2, you can see we again have this great sun porch with sleeping. This footprint is actually the exact same as cabin number 1. We do want to mention while we're here that this is an actively rented property. So if you come to take a look, sometimes you may not be able to get into every single one. We will have a Matterport 3D tour of each of the cabins. So if you're not able to see it in person, you'll at least have that experience. Let's go take a look inside this cabin. Like I said, this is an exact copy of cabin number 1, but this one tends to be the favorite. So behind me, we do have the bedroom with the bunks and the twin size bed.
And in this room, you have a full-size bed and your electrical panel. And in the middle, again, is the bathroom with the sink, toilet, and shower. In between cabins 1 and 2, you do have this little beach landing with access to the water.
Let's go take a look at cabin number 3.
Cabin 3 is the smaller of the 3 rental cabins, so you do come in right into the kitchen. You do have a little dining area, a couch, and this is where your direct vent heater is.
This cabin can comfortably sleep probably 4 people. You've got double beds in this room, a bathroom with a sink, toilet and stand-up shower, and that bathroom is actually connected to both bedrooms on either side. This room has the electrical panel, and the other room has a double bed.
50 Picnic Point Road does come with 2 docks that are for use for owners and renters.
Again, a lot of stuff does come with this property. This boat, the kayaks and canoes, all the picnic tables included.
We're now behind the owner's cabin. This one does have a fire pit. You've got one of the docks are out here and great landscaping.
Before we go inside, we're going to do a 360 tour of the outside of this cabin because the flowers are absolutely stunning and her hard work should be shown. A good amount of the landscaping features on this property are perennials, so they're going to come back every year. She does have some annuals throughout on the window boxes and on the porches. But even if you aren't a gardener, you're going to see these come back year after year, and it's just going to be gorgeous. This is a weeping cherry tree, one of the seller's favorites. In the springtime, it's covered in big white blossoms. She says gorgeous. Just behind that with the cute little fence is a flowering quince, and that one's got pink blossoms. Just along the other side of the house, there's hydrangeas. She's got begonias hanging that are absolutely stunning, especially for early September. Let's take a look inside. We are in the owner's cabin now. You first walk into the office area and then you move on to the main living space. Let's go take a look.
This is the biggest cabin out of all of them. You do have 2 bedrooms and there is a third, but the current owner did transition it into a laundry room with some storage. And then you have a kitchen at the end of the cabin with your bathroom right next to it.
This cabin does have a larger deck outside where the current owners have some patio furniture. This is actually some of the pieces that are not going with the sale.
Right off the owner's cabin, there is a shed where the current owner keeps everything he needs to maintain the property.
Across the street from the cabins that we just looked at are the guide cabin and the laundry, as well as these 2 camper lots. One currently has a camper on it. This one's vacant. It's something that they rent. It has power over here and is most of where your 6.4 acres lives. On the lakeside of the road, there is enough space on the waterfront where you could potentially build
berries!
One more cabin. Jackson Brook Lake is 731 acres. The max depth here is 20 feet, and the fish that can be caught are chain pickerel, smallmouth bass, and white perch. It's directly connected also to Drake Lake. Also nearby is Baskahegan Lake, which is much larger and has quite the draw for fishermen. Unfortunately, there's not a ton of places to stay, so if you do intend to keep this as a rental business, it's a great opportunity for fishing at this lake, Drake Lake, and Baskahegan all in one. A draw for fishermen from all around. Let's quickly recap 50 Picnic Point Road in Brookton, Maine. This property is listed for $475,000. The estimated taxes will be on the screen. This property has it all. It's 6.4 acres with 510 feet on Jackson Brook Lake.
There are 5 cabins, including the owner's cabin, 3 that are rented out, and the guide's cabin. You also have your laundry cabin and your well pump house.
There's also the shed for storage, these 2 docks.
There is the road association for the Picnic Point Road that is $150 a year.
Which also includes that boat launch we saw earlier.
This property also comes with all of the kayaks you see, the boat, picnic tables, and grills.
It also comes with just about everything we saw inside the cabins, the beds, the linens, everything you need to either use this as a family compound or run it as a business. If you've liked touring 50 Picnic Point Road with the Rogue Team today, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Bing! So you never miss one of our new videos.